Picture this. You're standing right there at the pharmacy counter, you reach into your wallet to pick up a totally crucial prescription, and your heart just drops. Your Georgia Medicaid card is gone. It is a moment of sheer panic, right? Listen, if this just happened to you, take a quick second to check your surroundings and make sure your personal info is safe. But once you've done that, do not worry. Welcome to this explainer. We're going to walk through a completely clear, effortless, step-by-step process to solve this exact problem so you can navigate the Georgia system like an absolute pro. Losing your health card is just incredibly frustrating. You're probably immediately wondering, wait, am I going to lose my coverage? How long is this going to take to fix? What if I get sick literally tomorrow? Hey, take a deep breath. In this explainer, we're giving you the exact stress-free steps to lock down a replacement card. Whether you're a complete beginner trying to figure out the system or you just need a quick refresher, we have got you covered. So, here's our game plan for today. First, the Medicaid card's importance. Number 2, finding your enrollment track. 3, requesting a replacement online. 4, requesting a replacement by phone. 5, emergency options and tips. And finally, number 6, keeping your card safe. All right, Section 1, the Medicaid card's importance, your key to healthcare access. Okay, let's dive right into it. Why is having that actual physical card in your wallet non-negotiable? Well, official state policy literally says the physical Medicaid card is the primary proof of coverage required at the point of care. Basically, without this piece of plastic, your access to necessary healthcare services or even just picking up a routine prescription can be instantly halted. You need that physical proof to verify your eligibility. That makes replacing a lost, stolen, or damaged card your absolute top priority. Moving right along to Section 2, finding your enrollment track so you know your specific path. So Georgia actually operates a decentralized system. That's just a fancy way of saying your replacement path depends entirely on your specific enrollment track. If you're unsure of your exact status or you just need a quick eligibility check to verify you're still covered, jump onto the Georgia Gateway portal first to confirm. Once you know you're good, you'll see 2 main paths. The first is the fee-for-service, or FFS, and the Supplemental Security Income, or SSI track. This one is managed directly by the state of Georgia. The second path is the Georgia Families track. This involves care management organizations, or CMOs, like Peach State Health Plan or CareSource. You absolutely have to know which track you're on because each one has a totally different replacement pipeline. Section 3, requesting a replacement online. This is the digital route for the FFS and SSI track. So if you figured out that you're on the fee-for-service or SSI track, this online self-service option is exactly what you need. Here are the steps on the GAMIS portal. Step 1, head over to gamis.georgia.gov. Step 2, if you are a first-time user, you've got to complete the Secure Access registration. For this, you'll need your 12-digit Medicaid ID, your date of birth, and a valid email address. Now, if you don't know your 12-digit ID off the top of your head, just check any previous paperwork from the Division of Family and Children Services. You probably know them as DFCS. And finally, Step 3. Once you log into the member menu, simply hit Request a new Georgia Medicaid card. It is a super efficient digital route as long as you've got that ID ready to go. On to Section 4, requesting a replacement by phone and exactly who to call for your track. Okay, let's talk about the phone options for those of us who just prefer speaking to a real human, or if you happen to be enrolled in a CMO. For the FFS and SSI track, you are going to call the Member Contact Center at 1-866-211-0950. Quick tip, they're open Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, if you are on the CMO track, you actually bypass the state center completely and call your specific provider. For CareSource, that number is 1-855-202-0729. For Peach State, which includes Ambetter, call 1-800-704-1484. Honestly, this really works. A recent member on the Peach State track lost her card right before a super important specialist appointment. By bypassing the state center and calling Peach State directly at that number, she got her member ID read to her over the phone in literally 10 minutes and didn't even have to cancel her appointment. So jot these numbers down. Calling your specific entity is for sure the fastest way to trigger a replacement. All right, so you've successfully put in that request either online or over the phone. The big question is, how long are you stuck waiting? Well, the fantastic news is your new member ID card will arrive within 7 days. It is a surprisingly quick turnaround for the physical plastic to get processed and show up in your mailbox. Section 5, emergency options and tips for when you need care today. But hey, what if you have a medical emergency right this very second? You absolutely cannot wait 7 days for the mailman. Let's cover some immediate actionable workarounds. First up, you can request an emergency card in person at your local county DFCS office. Second, please don't panic if you're already standing at the clinic. Providers can actually verify your eligibility electronically through their secure provider portals. You can politely ask the receptionist to just look up your active coverage without needing the physical card. And third, what if you have an out-of-state emergency? Well, your out-of-state provider must call 1-800-766-4456 to get prior approval before providing services. So even if you don't have the card in your hand, the system does have built-in safety nets for emergencies. And finally, Section 6, keeping your card safe with some prevention and best practices. So, that shiny new card has finally arrived. The state actually has some official guidance on how to properly protect it. First and foremost, your Medicaid card is for your personal use only. It is strictly against the law for anyone else to use your card. Also, here's a really simple best practice for safety. Always, always remember to grab your card back from the receptionist, doctor, or pharmacist after your visit. Handing it over to verify your coverage is totally standard, but make sure it's safely tucked back in your wallet before you walk out the door. Now, here's a really fascinating rule about official agency guidelines that a lot of people don't know. If your eligibility for Medicaid temporarily stops for any reason, let's say your income just changes briefly, do not throw your member identification card away. Because public benefits can be kind of cyclical, you might become eligible again down the road. And guess what? You may be able to use that exact same card to receive services. Holding onto it in a safe place can save you from having to repeat this whole administrative process later. I really want to highlight this primary toll-free customer interaction center number one last time, 1-866-211-0950. Seriously, consider this your ultimate fallback. If you ever get confused about your eligibility, if you accidentally lose your card again, or if you just have some complex questions and you are on the state-managed track, this is the number you need to call. So, have you successfully navigated this maze before? Did you find the online portal easier than calling them up? Let us know your experience in the comments below. And please share this explainer with anyone who might benefit from a step-by-step guide. Now, just a quick professional disclaimer before we wrap up. While we strive to give you the most accurate and up-to-date information, government systems do update and change. Always verify details on official sites like the Georgia Gateway portal, or just consult directly with Georgia Medicaid for the absolute most current procedures. I'll leave you with this final thought. If you or a loved one had to access emergency care tomorrow, do you know exactly where your health card is right now? Go check, stay prepared, and keep learning.